how to create avatar from your image in mobile. So hello guys, in this tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, you guys need to download Gemini app from Play Store. So I already downloaded, you guys can download it. Once you download it, simply open Gemini app. So I will open it. Once you open Gemini app, you guys will see on top 2.5 flash. Also on downside, you guys will see Ask Gemini and image with banana icon. You simply select image with banana icon. Now click on plus. Here, upload your pic. So I will simply upload my pic. After that, click on done. Now here you guys will paste the prompt that are showing on screen. So I will paste it. After pasting it, simply click on that mark. Now wait for 10 seconds. Here we go guys, our custom avatar was ready from our image. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.